Have you ever wondered what makes up the matter around us? What are the building blocks that form everything we see, touch, and even breathe? The answer lies in the realm of the incredibly small, in a world that's invisible to the naked eye, the world of atoms. Atoms are the smallest indivisible particles of an element that retain the chemical properties of that element. Picture them as tiny solar systems. At the center of this miniature solar system is the nucleus, a dense core that holds the atom's identity. This nucleus is packed with positively charged particles called protons and uncharged particles known as neutrons. It's the protons that give the atom its identity, determining which element it belongs to on the periodic table. Meanwhile, the neutrons play a crucial role in stabilizing the nucleus, holding everything together. Swirling around this nucleus, in a dance that's as precise as it is complex, are the negatively charged particles we call electrons. These tiny particles race around the nucleus in specific energy levels or shells, much like planets orbiting a star. It's these electrons that determine an atom's chemical behavior and participate in chemical reactions. The atomic number of an atom, which is unique to each element on the periodic table, is simply the number of protons in the nucleus. For instance, hydrogen, which sits at the top of the periodic table, has just one proton in its nucleus. Hence, its atomic number is 1. Carbon, on the other hand, has 6 protons in its nucleus, giving it an atomic number of 6. The arrangement of electrons in these energy levels or shells around the nucleus defines an atom's chemical properties. It's this arrangement that determines how an atom can form bonds with other atoms, creating the molecules and compounds that make up the world around us. So there you have it. The next time you hear the word atomic in a scientific context, know that it's referring to the properties, structure, or characteristics of these tiny building blocks of matter, the atoms. From the air we breathe to the solid ground beneath our feet, everything around us is a marvelous assembly of these tiny particles. It's a universe within a universe, a world as fascinating as it is fundamental.